The other day,
President William Ruto ni atanyitwo kuhura shafi kambi-ini ya MUTONGORIA wa AZIMIO Raila Odinga ya kumatha giturwa kia MUIKARIRI wa KANJU ya URUMWE wa mabũrũri ma Africa AU KIUMIA GIUKITE.
Next week, on the 27th of August 2024, His Excellency President Ruto will be formally launching the candidacy of the Kenyan candidate in the name of Raila Odinga.
Agikira mukode ukinyerera kwa mitaratara yothe ona maratathi maria mafatie kuneanwo KIHITAHITANOINI giki MINISTA MUNENE MUSALIA Mudavadi augite ru hatire ngaja Raila Odinga ari KIHITAHITANOINI giki.
As we cheered our athletes in the recent Olympics, let us lend our full support to Honorable Raila as he carries the Kenya flag high in the race for the chairmanship of the African Union Commission.
But I want to thank the leadership of the continent who expressed confidence, and also the people of our country, Kenya. I will need your support in this campaign.
Odinga rwena kifarua gya kwendia kioneki gyake kuri mabũrũri 55 gĩtarũ-inĩ gĩkĩ ũndũ ũrĩa thirikari yugĩte nĩ kũhũra njeki ona mbeca iria ikũhũthĩka.
It will also require substantial resources because you are traversing the continent, a continent of 55 countries and a population of 1.4 billion people. So definitely it is not a walk in the park, and Kenya is ready to walk this journey.
Raila arahitahitanira giturwa giki hamwe na Mahmoud Yusuf Ali wa Djibouti, Anil Gayana wa Mauritius na Richard Radriamadrato wa Madagascar, akiuga kioneki gyake ni kũrũmbũiya thayũ, ũcenjia wa rĩera, ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na ũthondeki wa mawĩra gatagatĩ ka mangĩ.
We continue to be seeing different faces around me as things move on. More people will join, so others will exit. That is normal. There's no problem about that at all.
Ona GUTUIKA THIRIKARI ni ereganite na riboti cia kwaya ni kuri na andu maikite ihoya ria kuhitatira giturwa giki. Mudavadi arauga thirikari niyo yari na itua ria muthia na ningi akioneka kwaga kuhithuria muigana uria ukuhuthika.
This is a Kenya nominee. We have the best in Raila Amolo Odinga, and we want the country to appreciate that and rally behind Amolo Odinga. I want to make it very clear that any other issues at this point in time are sideshows.
Ikereka MUIKARIRI wa ihinda rĩrĩ Musa Faki kuma Chad rĩkainikĩrĩra mwambĩrĩrio wa mwaka ũkĩte, maitho mothe rĩu makĩerekerio kũrĩ Odinga ũrĩa ugĩte nĩ ekũiga ũteti wa bũrũri mũhohio kwa ihinda rĩrĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.